Hi friends, this is Edu Skills, OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. And if you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work. And please do share your comments so that we customize upcoming sessions accordingly. And please do share to your contacts so that we may reach out to maximum people who are really struggling, especially financially struggling to crack OET. We never charge for any of our services. So let's serve the humanity. Now, coming to today's business.
The National Health and Medical Research Council guideline suggests A. Drinking more than 2 standard drinks a day. B. Drinking 100 ml of wine or 285 ml of beer a day is equal to a standard drink. C. Drinking at least 2 standard drinks a day is equal to more than 2. D. Drinking 2 standard drinks a day or less. What about the heart health benefits of alcohol? Well, the evidence is inconclusive and potentially flawed at present. The Cancer Council says, adding that the National Heart Foundation advises against drinking red wine or any type of alcohol to prevent or treat heart disease. The message to consumers is that there is no evidence to suggest there is a safe level of drinking when it comes to cancer. However, given that the risk increases with the amount, the Cancer Council suggests that anyone who wants to drink should stick to the National Health and Medical Research Council guidelines. No more than 2 standard drinks a day for healthy men and women. A standard drink is usually described as the equivalent of 100 ml of wine or 285 ml of beer, but it can vary depending on the alcohol content of the beverage.
Thank you. And can somebody tell me, looking at these options, what is the evident strategy being used here? More than 100 ml, at least 2.
Scale.
Yeah, exactly. Scale. The scale is used here. So I'm taking some specimens from your own reading materials so that you understand what it is. Any other strategy? Reading the question statement, what strategy you can find?
Opinion of the
Suggestion.
Yeah, suggestion. Yeah, suggestion. Then other, yeah, one more thing. Immediately to go into the answer, to locate the answer. What else is the strategy?
However.
No. I am asking about the question statement. Yeah, National
Health and Medical Research Council.
Means anything, and if there is a name, immediately you have to swoop into the place where the name is mentioned in the paragraph, right? So you have the name here almost at the end of the paragraph.
Yes,
so
Father.
National Health and Medical Research Council guidelines, no more than 2 standard drinks a day for healthy men and women. And however, there's one more strategy here. Contrast. However,
Contrast.
So I told you, yeah. So I told you the answer will be definitely after the contrast word, not before that. So as soon as you see a contrast word, 99%+ of the time, the answer will be after the contrast word. So here you have to start reading from this contrast word. Given that the risk increases with amount, the Cancer Council suggests that anyone who wants to drink should stick to the National Health and Medical Research Council guidelines. No more than 2 standard drinks a day for healthy men and women. Okay, so which could be the answer? Okay, let's go in detail. How many strategies? 1, 2, suggestion, name, suggestion, scale, then contrast. Okay, so let's check. We'll look into details. See, more than 2, 100 ml of wine or 285, the equivalent of 100 ml of wine, 285 ml of beer. A standard drink is usually described as the equivalent of 100 ml. One drink is 100 ml of wine or 285 ml of beer. So at least 2 standard drinks means you can drink more, right? At least 2 you have to drink, right? At least you have to drink 3 liters of water every day, which means it's recommended that you drink more. And you can see heart health benefits of alcohol, the topic sentence, health benefits of alcohol. But what about the heart health benefits of alcohol? There's a question mark. So that also tells you there is a controversy here. there is a controversy here. There's a question mark which says there is an agreement and disagreement here. The evidence is inconclusive. There is no evidence to suggest it's a safe level of drinking. It shows as if it is saying there is no evidence to suggest there is a safe level of drinking when it comes to cancer. It looks as if there is no safe level, but however, changes the whole scenario, the contrasting word. Okay, we will take the scale first. See now, as I said, the examples we have looked into almost majority, many, a few, or some and few. Boiling water, hot water, warm water, cold water, ice, more than 2. Okay, at least 2, a standard drink. So this is the scale being used here. They are assessing whether you can understand these expressions. So more than 2 means anything more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these. Whereas at least 2 means you should drink at least 2 means 2 minimum, and it can be more. Correct, na? And 2 means just 2. Okay. And 1 standard drink, that is the thing. Now here you see more than 2, at least 2, a standard drink. That is 100 ml or 250 ml. The paraphrasing is used here. Contrast word, however. This is a scale. This is a contrast word. Hedging words in the question statement. NHMRC, that is National Health and Medical Research Council, and function suggests function of the language. Paraphrasing, drinking 100 ml of wine or 285 ml of beer a day. Which that is a question, and the answer option here. The text says a standard drink is usually described as the equivalent of 100 ml of wine or 285 ml of beer. Okay, so this is the paraphrasing used here to confuse you. These are given. So exactly you should know such confusions they will create, and you should be beware of those things so that you don't confuse yourself. And now you see, I said, but what about the heart health benefits of alcohol? This is the question statement. There's a question, so it is a topic sentence. Only thing, there is a question mark, which means there is a controversy going on in this paragraph, which definitely tells you, the question mark tells you there will be a contrasting expression, and your answer will be after the contrasting expression. Clearly it says, however, suggests, the council suggests, National Health and Medical Research Council suggests, guidelines, same word is here, no more than 2 standard drinks a day. No more than drinking 2 standard drinks a day or less. No more than means maximum, right? At least means minimum. No more than means maximum. That is the scale there. So you should be able to understand the difference between at least 2 standard drinks and no more than 2 standard drinks a day. So drinking 2 standard drinks a day or less is the answer. These are the types of questions being repeatedly asked in your OET reading test. Okay. Now again, check this. See, National Health and Medical Council guidelines. This name clearly tells you, just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the hedging word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text. Then suggest is another word, guidelines is another word here, it is used here, suggest is here. So NHMRC, the name, contrast word, scale, more than 2, no more than 2, 2, and a drink, at least 2. 2 and at least 2, more than 2, no more than 2, 2, at least. Yeah. Now signposts being used. Again, I'm illustrating this. This is how you have to analyze the reading text as well as the script of the listening test. And also when you listen to the audio, the same structure will be used, and the side headings or the topic sentence will be hinted at by one when there is a dialogue by the professional, health professional, and you will definitely hear the other person responding with the topic sentence, repetition of the topic sentence. Okay, so name is there in the as a signpost in the question statement. Contrast word is there, then scale is there. Okay, again, I'm trying to stress the structure. Earlier we have seen a point, problem, reasons discussed, reasons 1, 2, 3. There's one paragraph. Okay, this would be also point, problem, solutions discussed. One solution, then you have not reasons here, solutions 1, 2, 3. And it could be also benefits, as I said in rice, the paragraph regarding rice, benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3, benefit 4 we have seen as test today. And maybe you will have a paragraph about advantages of something or merits of something. You have then advantage 1, advantage 2, advantage 3, advantage 4. Hope you have understood something. If you want me to visit any of the slides, you can tell me now. Otherwise, we'll put in.
Nice class, Father, today.
Mhm.
Thank you so much,
Great.
Father.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
Good night, Acha.
Thank you,
Thank-
Thank you, Father. Good
Yes,
night.
welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
Father.
Good
Good night.
night.
Good night, Father.
Good night.
Bless us,
Good
Father.
night. Good night. God bless you. Bye-bye.